YouTube, we're in my dad's truck. You can't actually see it right now, except, yes, there you go, you see it. It's a big truck. It's a big truck. It's a truck. It's a truck. Hello. These are the outside lights. My dad is delivering cotton right now. Last time he delivered bricks, now he's delivering cotton. How long was it ago that we went to Oklahoma?
That was yesterday.
Okay, yesterday morning. Tell me all the places we went.
We went to Oklahoma City. We went to McAllister, Oklahoma. We went to Muscogee, Oklahoma. Then we went to Surfers, Texas, Dallas, Texas, Forward, Texas, Plainville, Texas. And right now we are in Snyder, Texas, going to Laredo, Texas.
Okay, you know a lot about this. So you see, this is the entrance. I have no idea what this is. What is this, like a breaker?
Yeah.
And then that's a breaker too?
It's all that air, AC, 2 brakes, AC.
I have an AC at my bottom of my foot. Is that even a light? I have my camera to take pictures. I barely needed this car. It took a long time and I messed up on it. See, this is messed up right here. But I can fix it, maybe. Okay, so what is this? What is this?
These are gauges. Tells you the weight, your brakes, transmission, your suspension. And it's like a booster for your speed.
Okay. This truck has two what is it called? It's not gas, right? It's like oil, right? Diesel?
It's a diesel tank.
2 diesel tanks. It has one on each side. It has like an oil, like, you know, gas tank, except it has 2, but it's called diesel, right?
Yes.
2 on each side. And right now you can see the big view, how it is. I should have vlogged earlier. I'm so sorry. And that's not so cool. That's so
Turn that light off, okay?
okay.
Bye.
Bye. Ooh. Wait, let's see if I not it. Wait, see. Everything looks so cool. Oh, and we passed through a town that was called Happy, right, puppy?
Yes, Happy Town.
Imagine everybody was happy. No, maybe. That's just like.
Then we are going to a truck stop named Pilot.
Pilot.
I don't see it.
It said because it's magical. Why is this car abandoned? Look, see, this is a big truck. See, you see it in the mirror? If we turn around, we're gonna see them deliver like something that way. Let's turn around. Let it turn around. But look, if he turns around, you're gonna see the whole big thing behind him. It's taking too long. Like if he turns around. You see it gone. But now you see it here. There is a Pilot truck stop. It was beautiful. So beautiful. So this is how it looks inside the truck. It has a bed. It has 2 beds. You can't just see it, but it has 2 beds. It has a lower bed and then it has a top bed, and then it has like decks and everything. Yeah. The light has made me blind. It made you blind too, huh? Okay. Daddy, the light made us all blind.
Oh, really?
Yes. See, we can't see no more. It is so chilly. Oh my god. I'm so cold. But Daddy's getting out the truck. What are you gonna check, Daddy? Here, son.
Sorry.
Yes, you.
I was never able to do that before. It was kind of hard.
You're getting used to it.
Yeah. It's not that hard after all. You just gotta take your time and do it right.
I seriously do not know. See this? I do not know how to do this. He's a master. Guys, I took this picture with him driving when we were in Oklahoma. You see this white stuff right here? That's why it was snowy. It was snowy, guys. That sounds so. It's stuck. You see that picture? I took it with this. Guys, I should make a video to show you how to use this. Magnificent. See, it comes out right. It comes out right there. It's magnificent. Do you guys see this? No, you don't, right? No, man. Okay, there you go. You see that? You see this? You see that? That's what he's loading, huh?
Yep.
That's what you're loading.
A lot of cotton in there.
A cotton.
Cotton.
We passed through a field where this whole ground was covered with cotton, huh?
Yep. Look, he got cotton too.
Got lots of cotton. That's how it looks like?
Yeah. Whoa, that's the same thing I have.
That's like this, like, but over here.
Let's come over here. Let's go on the other side where it's light.
Okay. This is how the most famous truck. Amazing, huh? See, look, wait. This is the gas tanks, huh? The gasoline or something like that. This is what he's delivering. This is all cotton, huh?
Yeah.
See, look, see this bag. Okay. It's cotton. It's soft. Daddy, if you touch it, it's soft. I wonder what they use this for. This is where we stop being. This
They
is
sell
where
it
we
to the
stop.
stores, like the cotton they used to cure yourself.
Good. Guys, my dad is a big fan of this thing. Loves truck tire cares. He likes it because it's a good place, better than Pilot and Flying J's. So if you want to be a trucker, just go to Love's or somewhere else, but I don't recommend you to go in Flying J's. Flying J's is really horrible. But before I end this little video that I just made randomly, I shouldn't start it from Oklahoma, but I just want to say that when we were somewhere in a Pilot, instead of man and woman, it said cowboys and cowgirls. Can you believe that? Well, I just want to say I hope you guys like this video. Just make to a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. If you're new to this channel, just subscribe, please. Let's get to 16 subscribers so I can do a exploding watermelon fruit challenge or whatever. So if we get to 16 subscribers, I'm gonna do it, okay? So guys, I believe in that we can get to 16 subscribers. So just like and subscribe and we can get to 16 subscribers. Bye guys. Just get to 16 subscribers. Bye.